Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my full YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Airbnb app. And here it opens up in the Explore page where we have some offers and some rooms. From here we have to tap on Profile. And in Profile, under the Settings section, we have to tap on Privacy and Sharing. Now, here at the top, we find Delete Your Account. Here we can tap on this. Then we can just fill out these boxes. Where do you reside and why are you deleting your account? Here we can select one of the options and then just tap on Delete Account at the bottom after we are done, and it's going to be deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.